Tell the fishing grounds I roam, 1,500 miles from home, and couldn't give a bugger eye of a man.
Skipper's up there, snug and warm on the bridge. Down here on deck, it's like being in the fridge. The fingers are swollen, can't feel my feet. The face is last raw by a razor sharp slate. Last time home I said never no more. But that many jobs happened on the shore.
Back then, the chippy had a range. A lemon glass image of the New York skyline picked out in aquamarine, taking me there, out and above the rooftops.
Over the shops with their canvas awnings, where the sun leapfrogged the smokehouses, bleaching suits in the pawn shop windows.